Hello and welcome everyone. I think by reading the title you might have got a glimpse about what the video content is. We remember Japan for the horrible nuclear attack, for its worldwide known anime and its delicious delicacy sushi. But today we are not going to discuss about any one of them. On contrary, we will discuss about how data science is contributing to the advanced technology of Japan. The economy of Japan is one of the world's largest and most advanced, with a huge rich population and a well-educated workforce. It is one of the world's largest consumer marketplaces. From 1968 until 2010, Japan's economy was the world's largest. In 2016, the country's GDP was predicted to be $4.7 trillion and its population of 126.9 million enjoys a high quality of life with a per capita GDP of slightly below $40,000. First among Asian countries to rise up the value chain from inexpensive textiles to advanced manufacturing and services, Japan's economic rebirth after World War II was unparalleled in the region. Agriculture and other primary industries make up less than 1% of GDP. When it comes to data science, Japan has stepped up to the plate. This ever-expanding field of study is the focus of numerous academic institutions across the country. In addition, there is a huge opportunity for data scientists all around the world to collect and evaluate large amount of data. Artificial intelligence is expected to expand at a rate of 74% in Japan over the next 5 years, according to IDC research. Machine learning pioneers Data Robot witnessed this directly at the AI Experience Conference in Tokyo last week, where they are a visionary principle of the fourth industrial revolution. Attended by approximately 800 business leaders and data scientists, the event featured a deep dive into automated machine learning both from the technology's developer and its users. It is apparent that this technology has come of age and offers a viable commercial solution to enterprises trying to innovate through big data. The high degree of interest in AI in Japan may be due to in part of pop culture. The portrayal of robots in Japanese pop culture is far more positive than in Western pop culture, which frequently depicts machines revolting and killing their human creators. For example, robots are commonly shown assisting humans in comics and anime. More information can be found on the MIT Technology Review blog, Japan's Addiction to Robots. The robot restaurant in Tokyo is an example of AI advancement in Japan. This restaurant in Tokyo is a view into the future that you will never get since these Japanese are the masters of the robot revolution, leading the way for technology to help the human race. Located in Tokyo's theme district, the robot restaurant cost $1 million to build and opened in 2012. It's hard to miss the two enormous robots when they are being paraded along the streets of Tokyo, but it's one of the many oddities that city has to offer. Tokyo is known for its randomness, so if you're only going to do one thing while in the city and go and see dancing robots battle. A standard restaurant is boring, isn't it? In addition, the focus of this establishment is hardly on cuisine. You don't even have to pay for the food. Hope you enjoy and understood the role of data scientists in the advancement of Japan. Do let us know your opinion in the comment box and don't forget to like and subscribe to Learnbay channel.